I mean, what don't you understand? If somebody is cheating on you, you have two choices. Either you accept it or either you leave. But for you to do what you did, and then you have a 6-year-old involved in this nonsense with you, why are you doing that?
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
Is this a motion to revoke?
No, it says that it's when it's reset.
So it's not a motion to revoke?
They wrote on here reset. David Cortez.
Ms. Abrams, is he on probation? David Cortez, because this cause number is from 2019.
Yes, sir. Another case. The failure to appear. We have a bond agreement, EA.
So is he on probation or no?
I'm sorry, I'm trying to get
Oh, no problem.
David Cortez Jimenez.
Yeah, page 8. So what is the history of this? Let me look at the history of this case. I don't know why this case is so old and it's on the docket.
Yes, sir. He missed 4/19. This issue with one.
Oh, so he's been missing for 6 years?
He was on, he he had a court date. So he just missed it in the issue one. Got picked up for classified.
So there's been a warrant out for him for 6 years? Oh, okay. Got it.
He's having immigration issues. So I probably take the plea to we talk to the immigration line.
Mhm.
We get him on bond, immigration lawyer.
Oh, so I see where the bond forfeiture was issued in 2020. All right, do you have a motion?
There's a motion on file for the bond.
I looked for everything and I didn't see what it's ready.
No, they agreed on 10,000.
But who's that?
All right, thank you. All right, court is calling 2019 CR 6016 State versus David Jimenez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Mark Rose for the defense.
All right. And are you David Jimenez? All right, we have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm that you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do.
All right, if you'll state your name for the record.
Pamela Payan, Payan.
All right, so we're here on a motion to, it says to modify bond conditions, but you're asking that a bond be set?
Yes, Judge. It was 7,500 before, but they're gonna increase it to 10.
All right, state, have you had a chance to review the bond? All right, defense, do you have any witnesses?
I don't, Your Honor. It's an agreed order.
Well, I mean,
We're fine with the bond amount, Judge.
but I need to know, I know you said you all have agreed on a bond, but to set a bond, I need to know, one, if it's an appropriate bond amount for him. All I know from what you have said off the record is that he's been missing for 6 years.
I can ask him questions, Judge. And witnesses.
All right, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
David Fernando Cortez.
All right, defense, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I please report?
Yes.
You are David Jimenez, correct?
Sí. Yes.
And before you got arrested, you had a job, correct?
Sí. Yeah.
Okay.
All
How
right,
much?
counsel, if you could speak up so that the court reporter can hear.
Oh, I'm sorry. How much were you making, let's say, per hour?
Pues depende, pues, de 10 a 17.
So it depends, anywhere from 10 to 17.
Okay, and were you working full time?
Sí,
Yes.
Okay, and if you're out on bond, will you still have that job?
sí.
Yes.
So it's safe to say that you make about how much per week?
Puede ser de 600, 800, de 500 a 800. Depende del trabajo.
So it depends on work. So it could be 600 to 800 or 500 to 800.
Do you have a residence here in Bear County?
Yes.
Okay. Is it a permanent residence?
Sí,
Do you have family in Bear County?
sí.
Yes.
Who do you have, like, what's your closest relative in Bear County?
Con los hermanos.
2 brothers.
Okay. Do you travel out of state often?
Sí, no seguido, pero sí he viajado.
Yes. Well, not often, but I have traveled.
Okay. Do you have any reason to leave the country?
No,
So if the court is to set a bond, let's say at $10,000, is that a reasonable amount of bond for you?
está bien.
That's fine.
And you have the ability to post bond that amount?
Yes.
Pass witness.
I know.
All right, does anybody want to ask where he's been since
Oh, for the
2019?
let
And why he didn't appear for court?
me ask that. Did you know you were charged with an offense in 2019?
Sí, y
Yeah.
el abogado que yo tenía me dejó solo en la corte.
Yes, the attorney that I had left me on my own report.
Okay, did you appear for court on the day that you alleged that the failure to appear occurred?
Perdón,
Sorry.
Were you in court and your attorney just left you there?
sí,
Did you get a reset form? Did you sign anything to reset?
no. Esa vez estuve en corte, llegué temprano. A la hora de lonche,
Ujú.
la jueza me habló, me dijo que dónde estaba mi abogado. Le dije que no ha llegado. Dijo, ve afuera, habla, habla por teléfono con él y dile que venga, que lo estamos esperando.
So that day I showed up early and the lunchtime came and then the judge called me over. She spoke to me and she told me where my attorney was at. So I said he still wasn't here. So I said to step outside and call my attorney and ask him why he still wasn't here.
Y me dijo, no vayas con él, habla por teléfono. Cuando yo hablé por teléfono a la oficina, me dijo la secretaria que estaba en camino. Me devolvió a la corte y después de volverme a la corte, estuve toda la corte, nunca se presentó el abogado, yo estaba, ok.
So then she told me to go and call him, not to go where he was at. So when I called his office, the secretary told me that he was on his way. So I came back inside the courtroom, I waited and he never showed up.
Y luego la jueza me habló, me dijo, ¿dónde está su abogado? Le dije, no llegó. Dijo, ahora vaya a su oficina, vaya usted a su oficina, ya no le hable, vaya a su oficina, dígale que venga y saque un día para la audiencia con usted, que les voy a esperar. Y
So then after that, the judge called me. She asked again, where's your attorney? I said he didn't show up. She said, don't call him, go to his office, just go to his office and tell him that he has to set a day so he can show up with you in court.
fui a la oficina y la secretaria se estaba yendo, me dijo que está bien, que iba a hablar con el abogado, que no había venido porque había tenido un asunto familiar.
So I went to the office, the secretary was about to leave, and I told her, and she said that it was fine, that the attorney hadn't showed up that day because he had a family emergency.
Y entonces al siguiente día yo fui a trabajar. Cuando acabé mi trabajo, fui a la oficina del abogado. Estaba el abogado ahí y le dije que por qué no se había presentado en corte.
So the following day, I went to work. When I got out of work, I went to the attorney's office. The attorney was there, and I asked them why he didn't show up for court.
Él me dijo, el que no fuiste tú, ya tienes orden de arresto.
And what he told me is that the one who didn't show up was you, and you have a warrant for your arrest.
Y le dije, si yo fui a la corte, y le dije a la secretaria, dijo, no, la corte fue hoy. O sea, que fue el siguiente día.
So then I told him, yes, I did go. I spoke to the secretary. He said, no, your court was today. So that means like the following day.
Él nunca me dijo nunca me avisaron que había puesto la fecha para el otro día. Yo fui a las 5 de la tarde un día antes, sí.
So I was never advised that the court had changed to the following day. I just went the day before and I thought it was.
La esposa del abogado, también es abogada, estaba ahí. Cuando yo que tenía una orden de arresto, me dijo, yo te la quito a ti por $500.
So when I went there, the wife, the attorney was there, who's also an attorney, and she heard that I have a warrant for my arrest, and she said that she could get that removed for $500.
Okay, and I paid $500 en ese momento. Y dijo, mañana vienes. Al otro día yo fui y cuando acabé mi trabajo, yo les dije que qué pasó cómo estábamos con eso.
So then I paid her right there and then the $500. Then she told me to come back the next day. I went back the next day after work.
Okay, so you did show up before, correct? The day of your hearing?
Sí.
Yeah.
Debe estar representado.
Was it this judge?
Fue en esta misma.
It wasn't the same.
Okay, so it was a different judge, but you did see the judge, correct?
La mera verdad, no recuerdo no puedo echar mentiras. No recuerdo si fue ella.
So honestly, I don't wanna lie, I don't recall if it was her or someone else.
Okay,
Pero-
do you speak to anybody like a bailiff, like one of these officers? And then check in somehow?
No, no, de hecho debe de estar en la computadora donde yo me presenté y no vino pues.
No, so it should be in the
La-
computer,
el gobernador, el abogado,
it should be in the computer that I showed up without the attorney.
es el 2019, no sé qué, no me acuerdo qué mes, pero yo vine aquí a la
It was in 2019, I don't recall which month, but I did show up to court.
That's best.
All right, any questions? All right, so what bond are you recommending, state?
He's recommending a bond of $10,000, based on one DWI in 2011 and then a second in.
No tengo idea.
I'm sorry, is there something he wanted to say?
No, usually they've asked how much it was.
All right, your bond will be set at $10,000. There's to be regular random UAs
Okay,
and the fees will be waived. All right.
Okay.
Normally, this needs to be recalled in 30 days. All right, give them a reset form, please. No, that's for disposition. All right, is there anything else?
No, Judge, thank you.
All right, so on that date, December 4th, this case will be set for trial or you all will have reached a plea bargain agreement.
I think so, Judge. We have a clear and file. He just needs to talk to immigration. That's it.
All right,
All right,
thank
Thank
you.
you, Judge.
right, you're welcome.
Set for December 4th?
Yes,
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome.
thank you.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 010576 State versus Raul Rincon. If I could have parties announced for the record,
Returning for the city of Texas.
and are you Mr. Rincon?
Yes.
All right, we have an interpreter. Hello. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Cesar Chavez, license number 2203.
All right. Mr. Rincon, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Will those documents explain to you in Spanish?
Yes.
And counsel, do you speak Spanish?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you speak it fluently?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Rincon, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rincon, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Rincon, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it, sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with assault, family, household impeding breathless circulation. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
If the court grants your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication is revoked, the court can find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, he is competent to proceed, Your Honor.
Mr. Rincon, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No. No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No. No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-enter into the states. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They will take in consideration 2025 CC 012646 and 2025 CC 012647. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes.
Did you understand that to be your plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state?
Yes, that's a true.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be 100 hours of community service restitution, the BIPP course, a TAP evaluation, follow TAP recommendations, and parenting class. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
This time, say those as evidence, is exhibit one, all the time.
No objection, Your Honor.
State, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant? All right, thank you. Mr. Rincon, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, do you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, the state will be presenting evidence through the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client just wishes to school move on, and he accepted responsibility for his actions, and he just asked the court to follow the recommendation, and he knows he can do his probation.
All right, why did you do this?
I'm gonna do my probation the way it's supposed to.
No, my question is, why did you commit this offense? I mean, what don't you understand? If somebody is cheating on you, you have two choices. Either you accept it or either you leave. But for you to do what you did, and then you have a 6-year-old involved in this nonsense with you, why are you doing that?
No, nomás le quiero quitar el teléfono. Well, I just wanted to take the phone away from her.
Yeah, and she didn't want to give it to you.
No. No.
I don't know why people think you are not her father. You are supposed to be in an adult relationship. What I can tell you is that relationship is over. You're not to contact her or call her. There's no need for you to worry about her cheating on you because you're not to have any contact with her. And she can date whomever she want to date. But the one person she won't be dating is you. You understand?
Yes.
Do you have any children?
Sí, tengo. Yes, I do.
How many?
Tengo dos. I have two. I have 2 children, but in Mexico, no, not here.
And have you had employment since you've been here?
Sí. Yes.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Karina Gomez or Mia Gomez. Proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. There's to be no residing with minors. Well, no residing in a household with minors. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Take in consideration 2025 CC 012646 and 2025 CC 012647. 100 hours of community service restitution, I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. The BIPP course. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else that you need to be successful?
No, fine. No, that's fine.
Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes,
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
yes.
All right. We can go off the record. How old are you?
37.
All right. Don't get into another relationship until you get an orchid. And that orchid, when you get it, it's going to have blooms on it. Wait till those blooms fall off. And if you can get that orchid to rebloom, then you may be ready for a relationship, because orchids require patience. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good seeing you.
Watch, we're on the scene. Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie court watch quick as a flash.